Welcome to Brain Key. Brain Key presents Benefits of Mangoes. Mango fruit is rich in prebiotic dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and few amount antioxidant compounds. So in today's video, we'll be seeing about benefits of mangoes. So let's get into this video. Number 1. Skin. The vitamin A in mangoes is also a key for development and maintenance of multiple types of epithelial tissues, including skin, hair, and glands. The latter, which are attached to hair, help keep hair moisturized and healthy. 1 cup of mango also supplies about 75% of daily minimum vitamin C intake. This nutrient is needed to produce collagen, a type of tissue that gives skin its elasticity and helps prevent wrinkles and sagging. Number 2. Constipation. In a study on people with chronic constipation, eating mango was found to be more helpful than taking an equivalent amount of isolated fiber. It's important to note, though, that mangoes are high FODMAP food. They may trigger gas and bloating in some, particularly those with irritable bowel syndrome. Number 3. Blood sugar. It seems unlikely that such a sweet food would improve blood sugar, but that was conclusion of pilot study at Oklahoma State University. For 12 weeks, 20 obese men and women ate 10 grams of ground freeze-dried mango pulp every day. At the end of the study, the participant had lower blood sugar glucose levels than when they began the experiment. Number 4. Eye health. The antioxidants found in mangoes help your eyes with several ways. The 2 natural compounds which protect the retina and lens have been shown to increase visual range, lessen discomfort from glare, enhance visual contrast, and reduce the time it takes the eyes to recover from the stress of bright lights. How to eat more mangoes. Luckily, the fruit is easy to incorporate with any meal, sweet or savory. For example, you can top your avocado toast with sliced mango, or add it to Greek yogurt or overnight oats. Whip mango into a smoothie, add to salsa, slaw, tacos, tuna, or chicken salad and garden salads. Serve mango over cooked fish or mix it into whole grains like quinoa and wild rice. You can even try using these for desserts. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. If so, remember to subscribe to Brain Key. Follow Brain Key in social media.